Have you ever seen a machine slice through a giant tree in seconds? Get ready, it's happening.
00 boasts 1,050 horsepower and tackles up to 200 tons of wood waste per hour. Its rotor system delivers consistent output, ideal for land clearing, biomass, and storm cleanup. Efficiency becomes unstoppable when built the solid. What else could possibly match power like this? Even advanced machines such as the K-Squad track can struggle in difficult terrain. Heavy mud has the potential to stop even the most capable equipment. In such cases, a single tractor may be insufficient, and additional support may be necessary. Conditions in the field are clearly demanding. Not stopping there. In the Dekenley area, Kirkcaldy, the 444 International is struggling in a fierce mud battle. The engine roars, the wheels spin, throwing up rocks. The thick mud holds back every meter of progress, but the machine stubbornly moves forward, full of strength and steely determination. Absolutely spectacular. The Ecolog 68080, equipped with the Lorada H415 cutting head, takes on timber harvesting on a steep and unforgiving slope. Its exceptional traction and razor-sharp precision allow it to tackle each tree with unmatched strength and efficiency, conquering both gravity and tough terrain with ease. The EKG-5A, a Soviet mechanical icon that still quietly rules the deepest coal seams. Equipped with a 5 cubic meter bucket, steel cable-driven hoisting, and an operating weight over 300 tons. The EKG-5A doesn't need a roar to prove its strength. Each swing lifts dozens of tons of black rock, dropping them precisely into the bed of ultra-class haul trucks, keeping the extraction rhythm steady through every long shift. It's not a robot, not a marvel of AI, just a pure electric brute, still strong enough to carry an entire mining campaign. At FinMetco 2016, Komatsu Forest Oy made a strong impression with its modern, high-performance and eco-friendly forestry machines. The booth clearly showcased their commitment to innovation and sustainable development in the logging industry. If you love moments like these, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the latest content. Right here, from the seat of the Cat D5N, you feel its controlled power rumbling beneath. Today's mission: push out trees, level the ground, and create a clean slate. There's real satisfaction in seeing a perfectly prepped site at day's end, a true testament to this machine's might. This high-capacity chipper processes full-length logs with aggressive feed power, functioning more like an automated system than traditional machinery. The rotor's speed and blade efficiency enable rapid conversion from raw timber to uniform chips, far surpassing manual crew output. Watch those orange drums spin like the jaws of a mechanical monster hungry for timber. Logs roll into the blue and orange drum chipper, and within seconds, wood explodes into splinters. The dual rotating drums tear through bark knots and even frozen logs like they're foam. LKT-81, with its superior power, easily conquers slippery swamps, drags heavy logs, or even moves a small car without any obstacles in its way. Each pull is a battle between steel and earth, making this legendary vehicle an indispensable companion in many cherished memories. When it comes to power and reliability, the Valtra tractor paired with the Garraf R16 trailer truly stands out. Its robust towing system ensures stable, secure transport of heavy loads, gliding through rough terrain with ease and boosting overall job efficiency. On the giant coal mining site, Cat machines roared non-stop. The giant buckets grabbed heavy black coal. Dust flew everywhere. The fiery scene of mechanized technology appeared powerfully in the deep underground. Who's got the guts to hop on this mud-slinging log hauler and tear through the forest like it's an amusement ride? It might look wild, but for this operator, it's just another day on the job. Oh, that's amazing! The battle between the John Deere 959 M-Feller Buncher and the challenges of the forest is a performance full of power and precision. With its ability to quickly cut and collect large logs, this machine showcases exceptional strength, helping optimize work efficiency in the harsh environment of the forestry industry. Not every heavy machine is about digging and moving earth. The Kuravet's K701, a powerful 300 horsepower Soviet beast, specializes in moving cedar trees with care. Its articulated frame balances strength and precision, ensuring the tree stays safe during transport, proof that raw power and finesse can go hand in hand. Just look at that harvest. It's next level efficient. This John Deere combine uses a massive 12-meter header and packs over 400 horsepower. It's not just big, it's built to keep going without slowing down. This isn't just a farming machine, it's a symbol of smart design, reliable power, and generations of purpose. Ever seen a machine turn tangled trees into compost like chewing gum? Branches, pine tops, and garden nightmares. Nothing escapes the green jaws of the Pezolato S1000. Its industrial rotor chews through limbs, needles, and twisted trunks without mercy. No prep, no sorting, just toss in the mess and watch it vanish. Hot grill. Llavors, després passar el sopa de la